I recently had the privilege of working with some stellar firefighters at the big house downtown. Always impressed with how quick they jump on the opportunity to train in a district with a wide variety of target hazards. On this Fire Minute, Sam Dunn and Brian Dubois are demonstrating a two-person method that can be used with a person hanging out of the window on an upper floor. The key takeaway here is keeping the ladder far enough away from the victim that they can't interfere with the evolution until it is complete. When they lower to the building, it's far enough away that a person is less likely to try grabbing at it. And then they set the angle and they'll raise it to the window. Because of the building material and the extra friction, Sam is raising the ladder just slightly to make it easier for Brian to pull the halyard. Here they demonstrate two options which can be discussed amongst yourselves: rotating the ladder into the window or raising it straight to the sill. Nice work. Now Jeff Cummings is demonstrating a one-person evolution, same scenario, with a 24-foot gel. You can see here he's putting it far enough away that he's setting his climbing angle, won't have to move it. And then he's just raising it against the wall and places it where it needs to be. In both these rapid methods of deployment, that nervous company at the window can be helped more efficiently by not having them try to help you in the process. Thanks for your time.
PPN. We're making access to the roof right now. You have to cut a hole. Yeah, coordinate with Division 2. Are you using...